Hello, my name is Big Adgun Idear, welcome to BBC News, and for this bies emoji. Cat, the police trying parcos, the penguin bubble eating food, super space red. Birds, in emergency alert system de broadcast system, A709 and catemojibabyheat. Lutere, al SN de Melodia Food, Sliver, Melody eating a food today, is me, Big. Adgun Idear, signing off.
Yummy, delicious.
Me
Too. What is
that? It's that
Hey you! What the fuck is that thing you hear?
Wait!
That's my
car! I
can drive.
There's
No gas.
gas.
Guys, I think red is like me.
Come down.
Red. Text
Speak for talk.
with him.
Alright, try speaking, Red. Hello, my name is Retro. And why is speaking now? Super Space Red. Guys, I'm kinda leaving. I think Retro.
Yes, I do. Super Red Bull.
I have a gift for you.
Wow!
Is that
My new
Okay, open up. Wow, a new gas. Yes, I do, Super Red Space Bird. We are new gas. Melly, you on the take off the new for this Red Bull truck.
Alright, so
Alright, stand up. Something I do? I can't believe it, Super Red Bull truck. I'm ready. Yeah.
guys?
what is
Sounds like
that?
oh my god.
Fight
Him this
with
step me.
me?
Welcome to United States News. I am Eric. That's happened the morning 8:04 p.m. The battle was the Hal vs. Hal the Robot T-Rex. The Redbirds truck is named Zelda. Joey Studios Incorporated 2023. Look like villain. The YouTube and Google bad idea. The Jared the Ease guy and Jazzy and the Ease Gaka and Country Balls guy. Hi 2K12Vs. The Gaka and Country Balls. The United States Ball Undies creators. Wait a second, who are you? Don't shoot me.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. Jared the EAS guy and Josian the EAS Gotcha and Country Balls guy. Joey Studios Inc. shooting the Eric, Red and Blue Hat and ID. Police trying a Joey Studios Inc. If you see the Joey Studios Inc. in National Center for Missing the Exploited Children, please stand Cumbay, Jared the EAS guy, and Earl. Ilana. Stay tuned for more update and dangerous information on this situation.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah,
The T-Rex
it's gonna be much
Hey T-Rex. You are silly guy, T-Rex. Calm down. All clear?